Let's do some eyeliner, and we're going to use the MAC Kohl Liner in Feline. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to line your eyes, smudge it out, and just really have fun with it. This is the shade. It's a nice black liner. All right, the first one that everybody should know is how to tightline your eyes. So tightlining is getting a pencil, lift the lid a little bit, and just really draw little strokes in between your lashes. This is going to give your eye definition. This is perfect if you don't really like to do a heavy liner, but just want your eyes to be nice and defined. Also, this is perfect if you have hooded eyes. Now, we're going to line our actual lash line now. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to just run the pencil on the top line. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry about it. Black liner will always make any eye color pop. Now I'm just taking a smudgy brush and I'm going to go back and forth on that line I just drew. It's like instant drama. Let me even myself out. And the nice thing about a kohl liner is that you have time to play with it. Love that, kind of grungy. And now for fun, if you want to be just a little bit bold, I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to kind of apply some to my ring finger, and I'm going to smudge this out and really blend up. This is going to give me that lived in look, that like smoky, this is the smoky easy eye, like the quickest one you'll ever do. The reason I applied it to my finger was because I'm just working with that line that we put down first, and by kind of blending it up and out, I get this like nice smoky eye. And then whatever again is left on my finger, I'm not adding any more. I'm just gonna run it under my eye. Look at that instant smoke, instant grunge. And also a bonus tip for you, take any eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this MAC eyeshadow palette, and I am taking Sonic Chocolate. I'm gonna pick up that brown. This eyeliner now is gonna play as almost a primer, and I'm just applying that to my lash line on top of the liner we just put on. And look at that. Just made my brown eyes pop. When you're doing a smoky eye, it's okay to be messy. That's it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below.